Now for the most shocking step. We're going to be using blush as... Hey guys, so today we're going to be using blush in the place of a lot of our makeup products. Now you may be wondering, if I put blush all over my face, I'm going to look like I got stung by a bunch of bees. But no, we're going to apply it very skillfully, or as skillfully as an unskilled person like myself can. It'll be perfect for any regular outing, but also if you happen to stumble across a red carpet, you'll be ready. So a popular trend is to take one color and to fan it out all over your lid, sort of creating a watercolor look. Now I'm going to be using this Sephora blush in this pink neutral coral shade right here. I'm only going to be using the matte side, not the shimmer. We'll start off with the transition shade, even though this is also going to be your inner outer corner shade and your lid shade. So the key to this is to be light-handed and build. I'm pretty excited because this is one look that you can't mess up. Although I probably shouldn't be jinxing it, because where there's a will, there's a way. Hopefully this color is showing up nice on camera, since it is a pink coral, which sometimes can be difficult to capture. I'm definitely happy that more simple looks are becoming popular, because no matter how many James Charles or Nikki tutorials I watch, I'm never gonna blend like them. Now it's time to pack it onto the lid. I'm trying to keep my mirror out of the frame, which is always a struggle. I'm gonna have to come up with a better technique. Anyway, my thoughts are that now there's too much focus on makeup being perfectly blended, perfectly symmetrical. I'm just here because I want to inspire you to have fun with the process. It's okay if your look doesn't turn out perfect, because nothing in life is perfect other than our mother's cooking. That is perfection. Usually I'm not into really fanning out my eyeshadow, but with this look, it just works. The more you fan it out, the better it looks. So if you have time, just keep blending. Now it's time for bronzer. This look is perfect if you're on vacation, or if you're in quarantine and just want to look sun-kissed. And therefore you don't have to worry about going overboard and looking like your head doesn't belong to your body. Since we're not using highlight, what I'd recommend is using a foundation or a tint that is in matte. That way you get that nice all over glow. Because sometimes with highlight, even though I love highlight and it pains me to admit it, but I go overboard with it. Just like with everything else in my life. Like I'm probably also gonna go overboard with this blush. Hopefully this is translating well on camera. Now for the most shocking step. We're going to be using blush as blush. This is really just going to bring the whole look together. You can take it, blend your shadow out more, because why not? There are no rules. So I'm actually liking how this looks. This could be a game changer. For this look, you could really use any color of blush, but for us pale folks, I feel this corally pink just really looks natural in a weird way. I obviously want to look bronzy, which is why I frequently wear bronzer, and I also put it on my eyelid as well, just for a contour effect. But sometimes it looks a bit too overdone, at least for my taste. Like I'm just trying to look a little bit bronzy, but I end up looking like I just got back from a year-long vacation in the Caribbean, which doesn't suit me and these pale arms, which unfortunately don't tan very well. With this technique, I feel like even if you put more on, it still looks natural, because I feel like blush is definitely less pigmented, but it still gives you that nice tone to your face. Definitely worth a try. So I'm debating putting some blush on my lips for that stained effect, but I'm assuming it's probably not safe for consumption, so don't try this at home. Do as I say, not as I do. Okay. Well, that's a blessing in disguise that blush does not show up at all on my lips, which is good to know. I think I have a cream blush, so I'll just put that on instead. which gives me another idea. Somebody should also try this with cream blush, because that would be good. I'll just trying to get that stained effect. Ooh. Did that show up? Let's hope so. This color is perfect and it just tied the whole look together. Amazing. This is tempting me to also put this on my cheeks, but I think I should stop because let's not ruin a good thing. So this is the final look. I really like it. Some of you may be thinking, pull the camera in closer, but do you really need to be that close? I'm just trying to do you guys a favor. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe.